You are getting bored to make a daily same recipe. So today we are here for our another recipe, that is whole wheat pancake recipe. So come on, let's start the recipe with me. I don't have the chocolate syrup now, so I will prepare at home only. And here I have taken half cup of water and then half cup of sugar. Same quantity as the water, I have taken sugar here. And here let sugar dissolve in water, and I am adding 2 tablespoons of corn slurry here. Keep this stirring. Let the water and the sugar and the corn slurry get mixed well into it, and then we are adding the 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. We will take a 1 boil to it and let this slurry and this cocoa powder get mixed well, and we will get a thick syrup. So keep stirring. It will get hardly 5 minutes to make this chocolate syrup. And so here our chocolate syrup is ready. And here you can see how the perfect chocolate syrup we have made it. You can see. And this is hot now. We will keep it aside and we will remove into the glass. And here is our chocolate syrup is ready. Now let's prepare for pancake. I have taken 1 cup of wheat flour and then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I have taken 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and then half tablespoon baking soda and then 1 tablespoon baking powder, and sieve this flour nicely like this. Take a big pan so it will help us to strain it nicely, and later we will transfer into the mixing bowl or mixing jar. Don't have beater guys, then let transfer this flour into the mixing jar to the mixer jar. And here I have taken homemade cinnamon powder and then half tablespoon of salt I have added in it, and we need 100 gram of jaggery powder. So here I don't have it, just taken jaggery and then grated it like this. We will get a fine paste or fine powder of jaggery, and later I am adding the jaggery in a mixer jar. And now add half cup of curd, 1 tablespoon of oil, and then 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Make a fine paste of it and just add 1 cup of milk, and later again I am mixing with in a mixture. And here our batter is ready. You can see the consistency of this batter, how perfect it is. And now let's heat a pan to make a pancake. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee on a pan. Just apply evenly on a pan, and then we will add batter to make a pan. Leave a batter on a pan. Do not spread it. The pancake holds its shape, so cover the pan and let it cook properly. And after 2-3 minutes I am checking. If need, let's spread little bit of ghee on it and just turn it out. Look at this, how the pancakes are ready, how it is done so perfectly, how these cakes are looking so yummy. So just spread little bit of ghee on it, apply just ghee on it and shake it from both the sides. And here our pancake is ready, it's all done. Now we will keep it aside, just leave it, and let's make another pancakes also in the same procedure. Here is just add syrup on it, the chocolate syrup on it, and look how the pancakes are ready, so nicely it is looking. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe, like and share to my channel.